There are 8 menus are included in Ecoxy, which are Dashboard, Sales, Purchase, Accounts, Inventory, Customer, Supplier and Reports. Dashboard is the first menu among that. When the user log into Ecoxy, Dashboard will be open as the home page, and it includes various menus and graphical representation related with the business transaction. Ecoxy Dashboard facilitates the current financial position of the business to users. Now let's take a look at what all informations are available in the dashboard. First of all, we can see a financial year on the right side of the screen, and it will be the current financial year. Based on the financial year, we have cash balance here, and user can access the complete cash balance detailed report by clicking on the cash balance menu. While click on the cash balance menu, it opens to general ledger form, and the details of cash account summary will appear on the screen. Here user can access the complete cash account details and also can access the monthly summary details of cash account by using the drill down option. For that, click on the enter key to access the monthly summary details of cash account. Here it opens to a ledger monthly summary details of cash account, and if the user click on the enter key, then it opens to a ledger vouchers, and user can open any one of the transaction form by using the drill down option, so that user can access the complete details of cash balance within the general ledger form. After the cash balance, the next option is the bank balance. It shows the current bank balance details of the organization. User can access the bank balance details by clicking on the bank balance option here. While clicking on the bank balance details, it opens to a general ledger form, and it shows the group summary of bank account. The closing balance with debit and credit amount details are given here, and if the user need to access more details about the bank account, then it can be done by using the drill down option here. After the bank account, the next one is the receivables option. Here the receivables amount of the organization are given here. While we click on the receivables option, it opens to a general ledger form, and user can access all types of receivables transaction within this form. The particulars, closing balance with debit and credit amount details are given here. So after the receivables, the fourth option is the payables amount. Here it shows the amount details of payable to suppliers. User can access the payable amount details by clicking on the option. While we click on the payables option, it opens to a general ledger form, and it shows the details of all the accounts payables within the organization. The particulars, closing balance amount with debit and credit are given here. Next, we have some graphical representation of data are available here. On the left side of the screen, we can see an income versus expenses bar diagram. It shows the difference between income versus expenses of the organization, and on the right side, we can see a pie diagram. It also shows the difference between income versus expenses of the organization. If the user wants to filter the pie chart, then it can be done by using the filter option here. By clicking on the filter option, user can filter the pie chart by today, this week, this month, this quarter, financial year or custom. The dashboard also facilitates the amount details of sales here. It shows the total sales amount of the organization, and if the user wants to access all the sales information, then it can be done by clicking on the link. The next we have the purchase option, and it shows the total amount of the purchase of the organization. User can access all the purchase details by clicking on the option, and here it shows the total income and expense details of the organization. So these are the information that included in the Ecoxy dashboard. Thank you.